Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TXMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, get rid of these lines. Sure, these levels still do pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere and that risk causing clutter. So just want to map out a couple of these areas first, and get rid of those. But the first key update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So that 242-ish area is now going to be that newest area of support, what I would call the ideal level. Meaning if the price could stay up above that level, that would definitely be a huge sign of power and make the chart look the best. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 243-ish, then that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above there, that would certainly be a big sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above that 242-ish, 243-ish area would be great. But as long as the price is above that purple line, then big picture, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? For this, going to have to squeeze down the chart here a little bit, so it'll get hard to see, but always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into the chart's history. So let's see, broke above that. So next key level right up there at $2.65, which is basically right where the price is currently battling with. And then after 265, next level after that, up there right around 275. So 265 and 275, next couple areas of resistance going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Past couple of days have been very, very solid. And as long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher bases, that is what you want to see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.